Hey guys, welcome to my fourth video on the restaurant. So I have Popeyes, I have chicken and French fries. So let's do this.
Oh my god, this guy is crazy because you can get these things for $130 on SpyPicturesWithGadgets.com. Do you think it could even just be another YouTuber, like a competitor?
We ain't got no competition.
Yeah. Did you see the picture by the mask? There's a piece of paper with more
a glass of water.
Look at that. 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 Just look at it. Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. In the top of the corner. There's the lines and dots. You guys know what lines and dots mean.
Oh, Morse code. Oh my gosh.
Only one on a date, Chad.
Inside of each one of these kits comes some extra gear. Project Circle ID card, the reverse side of it is how to read Morse code inside of this kit. Our activity book, and there's the code breaking guide, which will teach you not only how to decode Project Circle secret language, but also how to decode Morse code. We need your help, Spy Ninjas.
Wait, guys, what he said, bro? He's probably a young dude from California.
Maybe it's one of your relatives, Regina. You're from California, and you talk that way.
Why no, I don't?
I don't want to look up your nose.
No way!
Will you guys see this? No. In the mission infiltration kit?
No way!
I knew it. I knew it.
It's a gold G-Shock with the same chronometer that I gave to the cloaker.
I knew it. You knew it? Yeah, it's the cloaker. So, cloaker, if you're watching right now,
Gosh!
There's one way to find out, guys. Just call him.
you try to trick him. Say, hey, how you liking that watch? Mr. Clay, you're shaping up to be one heck of a detective. Oh, it's the cloaker! Long time no see, Cloak. Yeah, long time no see. I want to hear about your G-Shock, your Casio gold and black watch. Tell me about it. Proves it right there. Yeah.
So good.
What? Is someone in the back seat? Well, you know what I do want to know about? I want to know about that black and gold watch. Hey, get back to the watch. Do you still have it right now? So, you don't have the watch anymore, you say? How about you show us that wrist? Ooh, good one, Daniel. Are you wearing it right now?
He doesn't have it.
You just showed us both wrists, Daniel. Not on there. I think you really did lose his watch. Thank you, Cloaker. That narrows it. Oh.
Shoot, cloaks!
Blood on my clothes.
Oh, yeah?
Sorry about
Okay. I don't know if we think we can cross the Cloaker off our suspect list. Did you look at all the pictures yet? No. You want to pick them? Say count three, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at the pictures. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. I can't believe this is happening. It's gonna happen soon, guys. It's gonna happen soon. Date fun. That means the date night is gonna happen soon. There's a $5. Chad, all I'm trying to say is 2021, it's been 14 days. We haven't gone on a date. What kind of husband is this?
What kind of husband?
I mean, an inactive one.
It's a... I've been busy. I just saved YouTube and shut down Project Zorro. Oh, well, I've had time to... Well, never mind. Guys, don't forget what the mission is here. What if this is all... What if the person who's selling this right now is tied to a bunch of ex-hackers who are all communicating together to reconvene into an organization that will once again arise from Las Vegas? Not too far from Las Vegas is Area 51, where they'll attempt to communicate to the aliens using these satellites that YouTube uses to broadcast. And maybe it's all a cover for Susan Wojcinski.
Who's there?
Doorbell. Uh-oh. Who's here? Who ordered pizza?
It could be these ex-hackers that are working under Susan, and they know the location of the safe house, so they're gonna use our cameras to broadcast.
Hey, no.
Who's there?
Who's it? It's packages!
Oh!
Excuse me, Melvin.
What packages?
Real briefly, I got it.
Okay. Continue involving the clues.
Oh,
Virginia,
sorry.
get on your YouTube button.
Found my clothes again.
You guys were doing this yesterday too.
No, it says Twitch and me.
Dude, they're going to that room again.
What's in that room, guys?
It's a storage room. We don't want to ruin the surprise. It's going to be real.
Oh,
Okay, surprise?
yeah.
Come on, man. You're all about conspiracy theories. You don't even care about what's going on over there. That would be. I don't care what they do. Unless they're moving the packages shipped by these hackers, and it's what they're going to use to communicate with Area 51. The DeLorean is not anti.
We need to look at the original listing and find the key.
Yeah, how are we supposed to decode this if we don't know the key?
What's doing there?
The black light. See any secret code?
Looking for invisible ink? You looking for invisible ink?
You nitwit!
What?
Doesn't work on a computer screen.
So good.
Don't picture cat in my head. Let's just have the real side do it.
That's right. Move over, Sheriff.
It's the freaking detective.
Sure, wait.
Quaint. In the house. What? I solved it already. Holy crap. I legit just solved it right now.
Make crusties. Make it all up. Make that thing. Okay, make that thing. Make a mess. Make it bigger. Okay, too big. Make crusties.
What is it?
In the description, the word diamond. All capitalized under. There's a diamond.
If you would take a look at the description at the very end, it says, impress all your boys with the Zeman.
Oh, I got it. Diamond equals Z.
Oh, yeah, now you got it. After I told you.
These just now that you have the key, you can decode all these messages.
Why don't we decode one of them right now?
Now that diamond is equal to Z,
I just wrote down a picture. Cassette tape equals
S,
arrow to the right equals
A,
envelope equals.
M.
Then we got a W A L T O N.
Sam Walton is my only everything.
Sam Walton.
What? Sir, gay? What?
Sam Walton is probably the alter ego of Susan Wojcicki whenever she travels to Earth to broadcast.
Greatest research tools known to man. It's called Google. Who is Sam Walton? Whoa. Here we go. He's Sam Walton. He died in 1992. He founded Walmart. Oh my gosh, Walmart. Sam Walton is my homie every day.
So Sam's not the bad guy here, but he's friends with the bad guy.
Excuse me.
We would hang out. He visits Sam cemetery every day. Oh, that's right. It makes sense. Doesn't make sense. Maybe it's not the cemetery. Someone's going every day. Target. Just kidding. Walmart. You, the thief of your golden play button, Regina, is trying to kill people's practice. You know what this means? We're gonna go confront the thief. Walmart. Yeah, he's at Walmart right now, probably. If it's every day, today's the day.
Today is the day. Alright, guys, we should go to Walmart tomorrow as a team to find out who stole Regina's play button.
Yeah.
Batteria at Walmart. But guys, there's still more clues to solve in the eBay listing. If you guys don't solve them, we'll never find this guy.
Man, we're coming for you. We're gonna find you. We're gonna find you. You can run and tell that. Run and tell that. Run and tell that. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Goodbye.
Now for the fries.
What is up, Flying Ninjas? We are the top bidder on the eBay listing that has Regina's stolen play button inside of it. Almost over. There's 10 seconds left. We're still winning. If we can just win this thing, we're gonna put it right here next to all our other gold play buttons.
Please, please, please!
3, 2. Oh, refresh the page. Refresh the page. Did we win? Did we win? Did we win the thing? Oh no.
Wait, is that us?
That's not us. Dude, somebody beat us at the last second.
Yeah.
Somebody beat on it. Dude, we make it. Somebody won the button, not us.
We know that the person is Sweats Money. That's the person who stole your play button, right? He hasn't shipped it to the eBay winner yet. We can track him down and we can find your play button before he ships it out. We should check Instagram for Sweats Money. Probably have some clues.
His profile pic is a Roblox avatar.
Yes, that's him. That's the same avatar we saw when we were playing Roblox against him. That's definitely him.
It's private. You can't see any pictures. There's nothing here.
Just make a fake account.
Yeah.
So what should my profile picture be, guys?
Well, obviously something Roblox related. I'm a gamer.
That's a good idea, but if this Sweats Money guy is a true gamer, he'll know who Butterthumbs is.
Oh, that's a great idea. The Butterthumbs is a very famous gamer.
That's perfect. Got him right here.
What do you mean? What are you talking about, guys? You dress up as Butterthumb, take a picture, and this Sweats Money guy will be like, I want to be friends with him.
What are you doing?
We see
Make
all
your
this
video.
picture,
Why
and
are
then
you
we can
making a
track him
video?
down, and we can get Regina's play button
Alright.
back today. Let's take some pictures of Butterthumbs here.
Yeah.
We need a good profile pic, some good lighting.
How are we used to do this?
Wow.
Daughter thumbs.
And we gotta make a reel.
Okay, we'll make a reel.
Okay, and go.
I'm making my first reel here to my friend Sweats Money. I'm a professional gamer and I heard you're really good at Roblox. So why don't you follow me? Please accept my friend request.
Perfect.
I'm gonna upload that on Instagram.
Well then.
Oh,
Whoa.
I'm done with this. Alright, follow. He's always gaming, probably always checking his phone.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Well,
He accepted it. Now we just gotta look at his pictures and see if we can figure out where he is.
There's a picture of my play button right there. Look at
yeah,
it.
that's it.
This proves that this really is him,
Oh,
and he really does
good
have your
one.
play button. We need to track it down before we ship it off to the winner of the eBay listing.
Look at that. See that? That looks familiar. I think I know where that is. We go there all the time. The park. He's in Las Vegas.
Go find it.
10 minutes ago.
Yeah, 10 minutes ago.
He's over there right now.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go.
Thanks for driving Melvin in the PC9 Global Command Center.
You got it. What if Sweats Money? What do you say to that? You can't fall in love with a thief, man.
Yeah, this
Well-
person stole from me, your sister, and you're gonna bring her into the family? Are you kidding me?
What? If you do... Well, sorry. You know, if you do fall in love with someone, they are automatically a thief because they stole your heart.
Oh!
Here's what Sweat Money. You know what I'm interested in? Have you noticed anything different about Regina lately? Do you notice what color shoes and what type of shoes she just got? Look at that!
Oh, yellow!
Yellow. That looks familiar, doesn't it? Daniel, show some feet.
Whoa, blue! Now the two of you can go ankle check.
Yeah, we're matching now.
They're kind of comfortable, right?
Yeah, we're matching now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
that's
guys are
right.
matching now.
Yeah, that's why his name is Sweats Money, because he is a nervous little chiquito.
Yeah. Okay, Spy Ninjas. This skate park is right up this way. Oh my gosh, what's going on over here?
And that's it for the video. So subscribe and comment down below. And see you on my next video. Bye.
Feel familiar?